Hello, it's me, Nara Ayomi. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the benefits of penile massage, a technique that can enhance intimacy and promote natural wellness. Stay tuned as we uncover its secrets, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health and wellness insights. Let's get started. Purpose of massage. Penile massage aims to improve blood flow, enhance sensitivity, and promote overall sexual health. Start slowly with gentle strokes, gradually increasing pressure as you get more comfortable. Use a water-based lubricant to reduce friction and enhance comfort. Creating the right environment. Focus on relaxation by creating a calm environment to help relax both mind and body, which will optimize the massage's effectiveness. Techniques. Warm-up. Begin with light, circular motions around the base of the penis to stimulate blood flow. Penis stretching. Gently stretch the penis in different directions to increase flexibility and circulation. Kneading. Use your thumb and fingers to knead the shaft, focusing on different areas. Ring finger pressure. Apply gentle pressure with your ring finger along the underside to stimulate nerve endings. Gliding strokes. Use long, smooth strokes along the length to promote relaxation and blood flow. Scrotum massage. Include a gentle massage of the scrotum to enhance circulation and overall sexual health. Perineum massage. Stimulate the perineum with circular motions to improve blood flow to the pelvic region. Pubic bone massage. Massage the pubic bone area to release tension and enhance sensitivity during arousal. Benefits. Regular massage can improve blood circulation, potentially aid in erectile function, and maintain penile health and sensitivity over time. Incorporating this into intimacy with a partner can enhance connection and pleasure. Additional tips. Breathing techniques. Deep breathing can enhance relaxation and circulation. Pressure awareness. Adjust pressure based on comfort levels and feedback from your body. Hygiene. Maintain proper hygiene before and after sessions to prevent infections. Self-exploration. Explore different techniques to discover what feels best for you. Consultation. Consider consulting with a healthcare professional for safe practices. Avoid pain. Discontinue if you experience pain or discomfort and adjust techniques as needed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, turn on notifications to stay updated on new content. See you in the next video.